Hello guys, today we're having a new video. We're going to be working on a 2018 BMW 430i and it's a Gran Coupe. We're going to be replacing the hose, the coolant hose actually, that goes from the coolant reservoir, and it is right here. It's not easy, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, this is what we're gonna be replacing right here. This is your coolant reservoir, and this is what we're gonna be replacing. And it goes from here. It goes all the way around behind the alternator, and it comes all the way down here behind that bracket. So what we're gonna be doing here, I'm gonna be hooking this hose right here to remove this shield, and then I'm gonna be moving this bracket right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a bracket that has 2 bolts. Connected to the throttle body. Actually, there's 2 more right there. 1, 2, 3. Remove that. That way we can, hopefully we can see the other end of that hose. We're also going to be removing this out of the way. Alright. Again, we're going to be removing this shield, only hooked with these clips right here, and then the bracket. Alright, let's do it. Alright, this is the bracket I was talking about that goes over here. Got 1, 2, and 3 bolts. These holes are just for these clips. Right there, there's one here, and there's one right there down on this hose right here. But the other end of the coolant hose we're talking about, sorry, I don't know if you can see it, but it is right there. I moved this hose up a little bit, this hose right here, push it up, out the way. There they go. Anyways, you push this out the way, or you hold it with something, and then the hose is right there. All you gotta do something like this. It's the same as this one. The other end is the same as this. All you gotta do, use something like this, shove it underneath this clip and pull this up right here, pull it up toward you, and then you just remove it just like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get to that using this, unhook it and take it off. Alright, and the shield, I didn't have to take it all the way out, so I just removed this, left the bottom on. There you go. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, this is the old one, and this end, it was on the reservoir coolant. There was nothing wrong with it, but the other end, because I had a slow leak of coolant, and as you can see, the other end is the problem. So as you can see, that is dry coolant right there. I'm sorry, my camera is kind of blind. Anyways, this end was leaking. As you can see, coolant right there around it, and dry coolant right over here. So, and it wasn't too hard to put the new one on. You can actually hold the other end and go all the way around behind the alternator, as I did, as far as you can go, and you'll be able to reach this side right here. You can see it from here. As long as you can hold this big hose, get it out the way, you can see it, and then all you gotta do is just push it and it clicks on, same as this one. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put the bracket back on, just like that. You got 3 bolts, and you got a hook on this hole, and that one, and this one. So 3. 1, 2, and then 3 clips. And this is one of them right here. There's one right there. The other one is over here. Right there. And the third one is on this little hose right here. Right there. That's all. And then you just put this back as it was, the shield, and you're good to go. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you fix your problem. If you like it, does fix your problem, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you, have a good day.